Welcome to Spring LIB.
Hello student, this problem belongs to EM oscillation and alternating current chapter, and here we have given an air conditioner connected to a 120 volt source, AC source, and it is equivalent to a 12 ohm resistance and a 1.3 ohm inductive reactance in series. So we have given R is 12 ohm and inductive reactance which is 1.30 ohm. We have to find the impedance of the air conditioner. So we know that impedance is equal to under root R square plus XL minus XC square. Now here XC is equal to 0. So we will find the the impedance is equal to 12 square plus 1.30 square. So this will be equal to 12.1 ohm. This is solution of part A and this is the impedance. Now in part B, we have to find the average rate at which energy has been supplied. We know that P average is equal to I square into R. IRMS is equal to ERMS divided by Z. We know the value of ERMS and Z also. So we will put the values. ERMS is 12 volt and Z is 12.1 square into value of R is 12 ohm. ERMS is 120. So again, if we solve this, we get P average is equal to 1.186 into 10 to the power 3 watt, or it is equal to 1.19 into 10 to the power 3 watt.